Hi kids, we have an alphabet puzzle. Oh no, where have all the letters gone? Let's find them. Here are some colorful cups and we have to sort the coins. These are red coins. These are orange coins. These green coins should go in the green cup. And the blue coin should go in the blue cup. Now let's sort the yellow coins. The last one are pink coins. Let's check the cup. In the blue cup we got the letter A. In the red cup we got the letter B. In the orange cup we got the letter C. Check the yellow cup. Yes, it's the letter D. Now we have two cups left. The green one has E. The pink one has F and G. Yes, we found some letters. Let's place them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now let's move to the next puzzle. We have many colorful cups and the dolls. Red, green, yellow, blue, purple, gray, orange, and white. Great! We found some more letters. Let's place them. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Let's check the new puzzle. We have number 10. Let's place in the correct spot. Now we have some more balls. This is purple ball. 1, 2, 3. We have 2 aqua ball. 1, 2, 1, 2, and the last one are yellow balls. 1, 2, 3. Great, we found some more letters. Let's place them. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Now we have colorful cups again. Let's sort the balls by their colors. These are yellow balls. Put them in the yellow cup. These are blue balls. Put them in the blue cup. These are green balls. Put them in the green cup. Now we have red balls. Put them in the red cup. Next are the purple balls. Put them in the purple cup. And finally, orange balls. Put them in the orange cup. Awesome! We found the remaining letters. V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, kids! We found all the letters. Thank you for your help. See you next time. Bye bye. Hi kids, we have alphabet animals. Let's learn that. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for flamingo. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for mouse. N for narwhal. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for quail. R for rhinoceros. S for snake. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for whale. X for X-ray fish. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Good job, kids. Thank you for your help. Bye bye.